So you might be in a situation where for some reason your AirPods are giving you some really weird sound issues. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing, actually let me adjust this. The number one thing and the number one reason why this may end up happening is because your AirPods are just like being weird with your iPhone or Android device that you have plugged in. So the number one thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is taking your AirPods out of your ears. So go ahead and take them out of your ears like where they were just in, put them in the case. So just literally drop them in the case just like this and go and shut the case on it. Now what's going to happen here is it's going to go ahead and basically just like blink at you. It's not going to do anything crazy. But what you can do at this point is you can go and open these AirPods back up, put these AirPods back in your ear, and for a lot of people out there, that could end up fixing the problem for you. You would not believe how easy these things are, basically kind of to troubleshoot, and that in and of itself could probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. Now, if that doesn't end up working, the other thing you may want to try doing is double checking what song and sound you're playing from your AirPods. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to your iPhone, and you want to find the song that you were just playing. So if you're playing a certain song, or if the certain song's giving you issues or whatever, go ahead, find that song and see if that's causing you some issues. So if you're playing it from Spotify or something, what you're going to want to do is replay that song. You can try closing out of the application, going back into it. But for a lot of people, doing basic things like that could probably end up fixing the problem too, just replaying that song and changing that sound. Now you can also swipe down from your top. You can go into this song right here, and you may want to just double check that it's playing from your AirPods and there's no like weird distortion stuff going on or a different song profile. You can change your song profile on a lot of different applications, including Apple Music. So you may want to make sure that didn't happen. On top of that, if you're still getting issues, you may want to see if there's an update available for your AirPods or your iPhone. So you can make your way over to your iPhone settings just like this, scroll down until you see General, then click on the software update, which is right here, and see if you can basically update your iPhone. If you do have an update available, go ahead and update your iPhone, and for a lot of people that might end up fixing the problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.